Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with a quick share. I received my Die Hard kit from the Stamps of Life, and so these are the items that you get in the Die Hard Club kit. They offer you a stamp set with a bunch of sentiments. As you can see, sorry for the glare, and it's a fish tank with some fish, starfish, seaweed, seahorse, some bubbles, a shell, and then you also get die cuts that'll cut these out. So you got the fish tank, the fish, the starfish, seahorse, you get the seaweed, the bubbles, the seashell, the fish, and then also this hearted stamp, and it has a shadow die as well. It says 2021. This was a free gift from Stephanie for being a club member. I'm not sure which level club, but it's probably a gold club member. And you can see I've already cut out some of the items, the seaweed, and then I stamped the seahorse and cut it out with the shadow die, because they all have shadow dies. And look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 dies. 20 dies right there. And the stamp set and sentiments. You cannot go wrong. Go check them out to get more information on their clubs. But I did use their inspiration card that comes with their kits. And this is the card that I am remaking. Now that I see these dots, I should probably add some more embellishments. I will, but I just wanted to show you how this stuff cuts out. So I made 4 cards. They're all the same because I like to do things in multiples. And if you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, you know that I have been on a birthday and thank you card kick. I'm trying to build my stash, and so this is the birthday cards I've made. And here are the fish tank I cut out. The matte paper that I've used is actually from the Fabulous collection. It was in a card kit a few months ago. And then the sentiment comes in the set. It says, "I wish you a great birthday." And then of course the insides I leave blank, and I just stamp my personalization on the back. And so here's just a few varieties. They all have the same sentiment, all blank in the inside, and all with my personalized stamp on the back. Unless it's on dark paper, then I do have these stickers that I add. But yeah, so hope you guys are having a crafty day. If you guys have questions, leave them in the comments below. I do get back to you. Please consider liking and subscribing. And for more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!